How to download and print your budget e-receipt. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open this page of budget e-receipt. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, add your country. Then add your last name. After you've added your last name, type in confirmation rental agreement number and press on get receipt. After you've clicked on Get Receipt, you will find this kind of screen pop up. At the bottom, you'll find your receipt, and at the top, click on Print a copy of this PDF. After you click on it, you'll find it open in another tab. Here, you can click on the print icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on it, simply select Copies, Layout, and Pages, then press on Print at the bottom left, and you're good to go. This is how to download and print your budget e-receipt. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.